Guys, welcome back to the real Mike KART. This is the Mame-Emu, and we're playing some Kaiser Knuckle. If you watch my first video, then you know that Kaiser Knuckle is pretty hard, and this game is handing my ass to me right now. The computer is set really hard. So I tried to on the last video. If you watched the last video all the way through, you could see that in a mid-game I went into the dip switches and into the input this game, and I corrected the kicks and punches. I was playing without fierces, so I went into the settings, into the input, and I added my kicks and my fierce kick and my fierce punch, and I thought that would help me out to beat this game, and it's not helping. That guy, what's his name, Kayuja or something, he's very powered up, and it seems like I can't even get a hit in. So what we're doing right now is I'm going back into the dip switches, into the service mode, and let's see if I can turn the difficulty down. So I'm going to go into this service mode right here. You press B, and here's our test mode. So I'm going to try to go into the configuration and see if I can turn the difficulty down. Okay, here's the configuration, and we have different settings here. Also, if you guys are watching this, be very careful if you do this with your emulator, because you can screw up your whole emulator if you don't know how to escape or exit the service, or if you press the wrong button, you can mess up your emulator and your game. You can also actually mess up your smartphone somehow. So yeah, you can freeze the phone or crash it. So be very careful when you're doing this, and don't do this unless you're a seasoned, almost professional emulator modder. So let's go into the I'm going to go into the difficulty and bring it down to easy. There we go, we got it on easy. We got the attract sound. Let's put with. Everything with. Blood mode, let's turn it on, with. And we do have a turbo. You got a slow, very fast, middle. I'm gonna go ahead and let's do a slow and see what that does. Okay, my kart's pretty much done. Now we're gonna exit. And we're gonna overwrite. There we go, guys. Now we're gonna exit and reset, and let's play some more Kaiser Knuckle, and hopefully it'll be a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, guys. You're watching the real Mike KART, and this is the Mame Arcade Emulator Mame Arcade Madness playlist.
Round one. Fight! one, fight! Round two, fight! Round three, fight! Round one, fight! Round two, fight! Round one, fight! Round two, fight! Round one, fight! Blood grass!